how to download and install Gameloop for PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can download as well as install the Gameloop emulator for PC, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So Gameloop is basically an Android emulator just like BlueStacks and other emulators out there. In order to download and install it, all you have to do is just go to gameloop.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box, so just go to gameloop.com over here. Once you go to gameloop.com, you'll basically see this type of interface, right? So what you have to do is, first of all, if you look at the top right hand side, you'll find the option called download. So just click on the download button here. So over here, we just want to go ahead and then download it by clicking the start download button, and now we're going to click on open over here and then just give it the administrative permissions. Then once you've done that, I will show you the installation process. So basically, first of all, choose where you want to install it. Make sure you have enough space on the drive that you're installing Gameloop. Then click on the install button. Basically, it will also complete the download process first, and after that download has been complete, the installation process is going to begin automatically and your Gameloop will be successfully installed on your PC. And that's all it takes to download and install Gameloop on PC. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.